I'm a Kia. I hang out at ski resorts to steal tourists' lunches and rip up their snowboards.
I'm a Quaker. I stole your pens, pencils, and spoons to build my architectural masterpiece.
I'm a Gala. I travel in flocks of 1,000. We turn the sky into a loud pink nightmare.
I'm a lovebird. I bite first and ask questions never. Respect the beak.
I'm an Amazon. I learned how to snore exactly like your husband. It's confusing for everyone.
I'm a macaw. Watch me sway back and forth. I have more rhythm than your dad at a wedding.
I'm a conure. Your hair is my personal nest. I am currently tangling it beyond repair.